Okay, what's left? Let's get some light here. What's left? Redoing some bushings in the front end. A couple of them a little worn out. I'll just get them replaced. Bleed the brake system. Get some fresh brake fluid through there. See what this brake fluid leak is all about. You can see it right there. Replace this seal that goes around the front. Replace the seals on each side of the target top, which it doesn't look like they need it replaced, but this one definitely needs to be replaced. And replace this seal that goes up and over and down here. Align the windows and make sure the guides, the felt guides in here, and window retaining brackets are set right. Make sure that my interior door panel is set right for up here on each door. Replace that light that's out, which that one is not out. Replace the antenna. I have it in stock. Take care of the transmission filter and gasket. Replace the hatch struts.